Hey guys, so it's Lewis here. Welcome to my channel. So I just got a new MacBook, the MacBook Pro M3 chip in the color silver, and she's sitting out here beside me. Sorry, I don't even know what accent that was. And I am going to unbox her for you guys when I get home. Like, I had the MacBook Air 2020, but it wasn't the M1 chip. It was the Intel Core i3, which is not a good. I don't think it was a good chip for what I needed it to do. Like, I remember when I first joined college, I was like, we had to do it online since 2020, and I was like doing loads of stuff in first year, which I wish I was doing now still, but it was like literally stacking loads of stuff, like loads of like tracks on Logic, on Final Cut Pro, and like the laptop, I guess because it was relatively new back then, I guess they handled it well, but not as good as like it should have, or as like it could have been. But back then I didn't really know much about MacBooks, so fuck's sake. If that shit just dangles, you guys are gonna have to forgive me because I can't really get distracted by it. Back then I didn't even know much about Macs, but anyways, any MacBook now that you get with like the M chip, like M1, M2, M3, doesn't matter if it's a Max or Pro, I'm pretty sure they're all good. So I just got the base model because I'm a student, I don't have that much money. So I just got the base model. We'll need to learn how to fucking indicate in this country. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, we're just gonna edit this video on it. I can't wait to try it out. Okay, so this is Lewis from the future, but in your screen it's Lewis from the past. I'm currently editing the video and I'm doing it on the laptop right now. And I'm not even joking yet, like the fan isn't running, the computer is not hot at all. If this was my old MacBook, the fucking thing would be like an airplane, it'd be so loud. It was like you're in an oven because it would get really hot. But right now I'm literally editing on my bed where there's like not really any ventilation, and it's literally so fucking good. So far so good. I'm very, very happy. But anyways, let's get back to the video. I don't have my other laptop with me though because it's in my fella's house, and I don't know if I need it to like transfer everything over. So hopefully it'll be fine. If not, I'll just do it like tomorrow or something, or whenever I have an extra. But yeah, out with the old, in with the new, as they say. So let's jump right into the unboxing. So now I'm at home. I got an iConnect. I live in Ireland. That's like the closest thing we kind of have to the Apple Store. I got an iConnect in Newbridge. Here she is in all her glory. So she is the 8GB unified memory, so like RAM, 512GB SSD, 14-inch MacBook Pro, which I think is enough for me, to be honest. Like this should double the storage of what I used to have on my old one. The RAM is still the same, but I think what matters for me is the chip, the M3 chip. So yeah, let's get on with pulling these tabs, shall we? Also, I'm really excited that now I have the 120 hertz refresh rate because that's also on my phone. So smoother scrolling, smoother just everything in general. Right, let's flip her around and let's open the box. Moment of truth. Let's see. Beautiful. She's gorgeous. And like, it's very thick now. Like, it's more like squared off, whereas like my other one, it was kind of like that wedge shape. So like now it's like real flat and boxy, which I kind of like. So let's pull this out and see what else is in the box. So I'm doing this one-handed, so it looks like I'm not really putting in the effort, but ooh, she thick, she heavy as well. But I love the silver color. I used to have the space gray and I didn't really like that one that much, so I got silver because my brother has a silver MacBook Air and it's beautiful. I'm just gonna take this off and then I'll show you guys. Ooh, this is so not aesthetic at all, but oh, she's gorgeous. She is so beautiful. Oh, and it has MacBook Pro engraved on the back. There is MacBook. Oh, you can't even see MacBook Pro. Oh, I'm excited now that I have all these ports again. So that's the MagSafe, 2 USB-C headphone jack, HDMI, and the SD card slot. I think that some models have, or maybe they don't. Maybe that's just me thinking that. But I'm glad I have all this instead of just these two because that was all I had on my other one. But yeah, she's beautiful. She's heavy and she's thick. Let's see what else is in the box. I still can't believe I have a MacBook Pro now. I'm in the MacBook Pro squad. So what else is in the box? So we have the braided USB-C to MagSafe adapter yoke for the MacBook. And then, oh, I thought it came with no brick, but it did. So we just have the 70-watt USB-C power adapter, and then just like the head for it, and then some stuff in this yoke. But yeah, I'm just gonna open it now and just see what it's about. Sorry, like this is the best angle I can do right now, but apparently that was not satisfying at all, guys. I'm so sorry, but yeah. So this part is gonna look for a long because I'm using the ultra wide, but let's take this thing off. Oh, this is so embarrassing right now. There you go. This is the cleanest it's ever gonna be. The bezels are so thin on the side. Oh my god, I hardly did 120 refresh rate as well. Looks really good. Okay, let's go. English UK. Okay, let's go. Ireland. Oh my god, the scrolling is so smooth. The scrolling is, oh my god, what the, it's beautiful. These corners are so thin. Ireland.
Marco.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Continue. Not now. And I have me Wi-Fi held on. I just have to get the passwords. Okay, so I put in my password. And it's just loading here at the bottom. On my old MacBook, I got like, at one time I was cleaning the screen and I think I got like a bit of dirt or something lodged into the actual screen itself. So I'm gonna have to be extra fucking careful with this one and not just like do whatever I want with it. This is also very expensive. So update later. Continue. Okay, I'm gonna set this shit up and then I'll show you guys later on when I have it done and all. And then I'm gonna see if I can do it without my Mac right here because I don't have it. But if I can't do it, like I'll just do it another time. But anyways, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm currently editing the video and I was able to actually transfer everything over to the new laptop from my old one, but I don't have it with me because like I said, it's in me fella's house. And like everything went over, so I'll show you guys. So like I had to reinstall a couple of apps obviously on it, like this thing here that like hides the desktop icons, but all my folders are here. And then because I was signed into like Microsoft or Office 365, I was able to get like all my college work and all. I still haven't gone into like the Logic Pro and all, so I don't know if everything's there, but I keep everything stored onto iCloud Drive, so I'm pretty sure everything went over. The only things that aren't here are all my messages, which I don't really care because I don't really text people on this. And like what I really only use this like my laptop for, the other one was just for college because like that's literally all I could do. Like if I wanted to edit videos or like record songs, like it would just stutter and just lag, so I didn't really use it. But this one, I'm recording the video, I'm editing the video right now, and it's so smooth. Like there's not a single bit of lag. The fan isn't on, the computer isn't hot. I have it on my lap on the bed and like it's just absolutely running smoothly. So not a single bit of lag, everything is working perfect and I fucking love it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's go back to the outro. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here because there's nothing really I can do. I might like do some modifications onto it and then I'll show you guys like what's on my Mac or some shit like that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video and I hope that you guys enjoyed the unboxing and just all that shit. But yeah, see you.